Mount Everest. It is the highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,850 meters high. In other words, 29,035 feet high from the sea level. It is in Nepal and Tibet. Mount K2, also known as ＫαΡΑΚΡΟΜ-2 or Godwin-Austen. It is second highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,611 meters high. In other words, 28,250 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Pakistan and China. Mount Kanchenjunga. It is third highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,586 meters high from the sea level. In other words, 28,169 feet from the sea level. It is in Nepal and India. Mount Ḥloutse. It is fourth highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,516 meters high. In other words, 27,940 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Nepal and Tibet. Mount Makalu. It is 8,463 meters high. In other words, 27,766 feet high from the sea level. It is in Nepal and Tibet. Mount Choyo is the sixth highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,201 meters high. In other words, 26,906 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Nepal and Tibet. Mount Dhaulagiri. It is seventh highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,167 meters high. In other words, 26,795 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Nepal. Mount Manaslu. It is eighth highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,163 meters high. In other words, 26,781 feet high from the sea level. It is in Nepal. Mount Nanga Parbat. It is ninth highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,125 meters high. In other words, 26,660 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Pakistan. Mount Annapurna. It is 10th highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,091 meters high. In other words, 26,545 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Nepal. Mount Ｇɪᴍᴜ괜 It is 11th highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,068 meters high. In other words, 26,470 feet high from the sea level. It is in Pakistan and China. Mount Broad Peak. It is 12th highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,047 meters high. In other words, 26,400 feet high from the sea level. It is in Pakistan and China. Mount Ｇɪᴍᴜ-2. It is 13th highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,035 meters high. In other words, 26,360 feet high from the sea level. It is in Pakistan and China. Mount Shishapangma. It is 14th highest peak of Himalayas. It is 8,013 meters high. In other words, 26,289 feet high from the sea level, and it is in Tibet.